This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow lush green grass. First, begin by testing your soil to understand its current pH and nutrient levels. This crucial step helps you tailor your approach. Next, enrich your soil with organic matter like compost. This improves drainage, aeration, and overall fertility, creating an ideal foundation for healthy grass roots. Finally, ensure your lawn is properly graded to prevent water from pooling, which can lead to disease. Selecting the right grass seed is vital. Choose a variety that thrives in your specific climate and sunlight conditions. Once selected, spread the seeds evenly across your prepared soil, adhering to the recommended coverage rate for a dense, uniform lawn. After seeding, consistent watering is key. Lightly water the area 2 to 3 times daily, ensuring the top 1 inch of soil remains consistently moist without becoming waterlogged, which encourages germination. For a truly lush lawn, fertilize 3 to 4 times each year using a balanced fertilizer, following product instructions carefully. When mowing, aim for a height of 2.5 to 3 inches and never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade at once. This practice promotes deeper root growth and overall plant health. Remember to sharpen your mower blades regularly. A clean cut prevents tearing, which can stress the grass and invite disease. To keep your lawn pristine, apply a pre-emergent herbicide in early spring to stop weeds before they even sprout. Regularly inspect your lawn for bare spots and address them promptly by overseeding and providing extra water and nutrients. Consistent care, including proper watering and occasional aeration, will maintain its vibrancy. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.